Emergencies can happen anytime while you are driving, from flat tires to dead batteries or bad weather. Having an emergency kit in your car helps you stay safe and handle problems quickly. Here are the top things you should always keep in your car. Car batteries can die suddenly for many reasons, like cold weather, leaving your lights on, or just getting old. Jumper cables help you start your car by connecting your battery to another car's battery. However, this only works if another driver is nearby to assist you. Another alternative option is a portable lithium jump starter. It is more convenient because it lets you start your car on your own, without needing anyone else. Flat tires can happen anywhere, whether from nails, sharp debris, or sudden air loss. Not everyone feels confident or knows how to change a tire. A tire repair kit with foam can temporarily seal small punctures, allowing you to drive safely to a repair shop. Pair it with a portable air inflator to refill the tire right after the repair. This way, you will not be stuck on the side of the road waiting for help. Accidents can happen anytime, so it is important to have a first aid kit in your car. It should have basics like bandages, antiseptic wipes, tape, scissors, and gloves. This kit helps you quickly take care of small cuts or scrapes until you can get proper medical help. A car fire can start suddenly because of engine trouble, electrical faults, or a crash. Keeping a small fire extinguisher in your vehicle helps you stop a fire before it spreads. Make sure it is rated for car use and easy to reach in an emergency. Keeping your phone charged is crucial for calling help, using GPS, or checking traffic updates. A reliable car charger ensures your phone stays powered during long drives or emergencies. Consider a retractable car charger for convenience and extended use. It reduces cable clutter and is easy to store when not in use. A flashlight is a must-have for roadside emergencies at night or in low light. It helps you check under the hood, change a tire, or signal for help in the dark. Choose a durable, LED flashlight with a long battery life. A rechargeable or hand crank flashlight is also a great option, so you are never left without light. A seatbelt cutter and window breaker is a handy tool that helps you escape during an emergency. It is useful if your seatbelt gets stuck or the car doors will not open after an accident. It can safely slice through a jammed seatbelt and shatter a window so you can escape. Emergencies are never planned, but being prepared with these items can help you stay calm and safe. Keep your kit ready, so you are always prepared on the road.